Oh, at last. I'm freezing. Okay, so in order to get this now working, I need to fix this microphone because that microphone is shite. There we go. Let's change that over. Properties default is going to be talk. There we go. Sweet. There. Oh, and I need to do this and change these speakers to not the HDMI. Save selected. Wait, what? What did we just do? Oh no. Hey. Russell at Better Help. Oh yeah. No. What just happened? Why did that do that? Why did it do that? Okay. Let's put that here. Let's just share this whole screen. Okay, I still don't understand what on earth just happened there. Let me just have a look. Yes, I do want to. Jacob. Let's push those. And we can now. But why did that break? Still empty. Yeah. I need to. It crashed. Give me a second. We'll get it working. Oh, I can't even remember if I put my chats on. I can't be bothered to look at that. Let's just see if this actually works. So it's 78%, 85. Okay, so I don't need two live links. So we have this one here. And did I lose everything that I did? Open level, studio, open. Okay. Okay, we're back. So now I need to. No. Okay, click play. And now run that command.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
Good try. Okay, so that's not bad. Yes, it did come through. However, we are lagging and not very smooth, but her face moved and voice came through. Success! Okay. So then after this, we can then run the live link through to Okay, that's good. So we can definitely make that smoother. Okay. Let's look at that a little bit further. Let's bring this. Oh no, don't crash. Okay, let's bring that here. Let's bring this a little bit smaller. Bring this one across. No, I don't want to make it full screen. No, I don't. Let's bring this one up. And this one here, so I can see when new commands are coming through. Let's bring this down. Okay, bring this one down. And then this one, I can see myself, but it's okay. At least I can tell what's going. And let's add a dock. I don't know why my chat has disappeared. And don't tell me we're recording as well. No, we are streaming, but I don't know where to. Where did the chat go? I should have a whole chat somewhere. I don't quite understand where it's disappeared to. Tools. I don't need a plugin. I've got already the scripts. This. Yeah, I've lost it. It's okay. Okay. Let's get rid of all of this. Okay, let's just lock these so I don't click them and I can just, what am I touching here? This is Unreal? No, it can't be. Unreal is there. So what is this? I don't quite understand. Ah, okay, I've got two Unreals. Okay, that's why. So let's put that there. So then I can control this one. Oh, that's better. I can just do it this way then. Okay, so let's just hide our display. We don't need that. Let's make this smaller. Was it Alt? Yeah. And then Alt. And then Alt. And we can then maximize this as big as we want. Okay. There we go. So now I don't need to worry about anything. And I can just control things. And we can also do the same in Versal, in the vertical source. So we can add that same thing over in the vertical and make a short and a long at the same time. So we can do landscape and portrait. Okay, let's do that now then. So that wouldn't be a browser source. It's going to be Windows Capture X Composite. There we go. Now you can bring this one in on this side. So it was Alt. And we need to do something about that background. Maybe add some, whatchamacallit, a scene around the back. Make that bigger. There we go. So we have our T-pose. Cool. Okay, let's send a command through.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today, we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
Yeah, more or less. At least at the start. Okay. So let's again improve things. So let's have a look. We are already in play mode.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON.
Is
I
it
am
my
Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
hmm. uh what can we do to make this even better? Is it the graphics card? It shouldn't be. A 38 should be enough to at least get smooth face movement. So the A2F blend shapes. Hold up. So we haven't mapped blend shapes. That's probably why we're clamping values, but some of those weights include values that must be different. Okay, so we need to find blend shapes and then order them. 68 weights need to map correctly to 61 slots. Why are we mapping to ARKit? And then what? We use the other one for live transcripts. Oh, hold up. One of the boxes hit content idea. Those were all yesterday. So if these are yesterday, why are our schedules not triggering today? Can you check why our crons are not actually triggering their respective workflows? If they were, I would have seen updates already, and I do not. We only get them when we trigger them. This should be automated with the cron and the local models, and you look into why we are not producing the content and scripts in accordance to the schedule and the heartbeat. Okay. Next step. This decay has to get post count and post name on the blend shape solver and bundle it in the API. So we're trying to make a translation order. What? So I need to animate each part. Okay, so if we take and remove the tongue tip and the tongue narrow, because they're not actually doing it. So if we have 52 weights on the art kit, but 62 slots, could we just delete them and then just everything would be the same? That'd be easier.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON.
See,
I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a
I
great
just
show.
realized that the microphone's picking that up as well. Advanced audio. Now I need to do noise cancellation maybe. So let's do filters. We got noise suppression. Let's add. Oh, I don't have. I don't have the plugin. Okay. I don't get why it's not working. If the only way that I can get it to work is with open close switched on, that's going to be very annoying. But it should work. It worked before. I mean, the other option. The other option. You're not putting the router's broken then. Okay, let's have a look. Let's check the animation smooth settings. Object property mesh could not be resolved on object. Understand what that means. Yes, and let's do some research. Okay, so United Human Linux glitchy 13. It's going to be a shader compilation failure. Incorrect NVIDIA driver configurations. Okay, so we're not using Vulkan. Workaround, switch to direct X12 to open the project and then switch back to direct. Switch from the NVIDIA on demand to NVIDIA performance mode in the NVIDIA server settings. Where was that? There was, I can't remember. Use Pop OS or a Debian-based distro with easy NVIDIA time. I'm not gonna change my OS again. We're using Wayland. Okay. Let's look for some graphics drivers. Where did I do that? It was, I can't remember. Utilities, advanced networking. Where would that be? Software updates, software updates. Why do you have to? Okay, let's just leave that there. And let's just see. Let's try another test. See what happens. Let's just increase this here. And let's read it up. Because the image itself's not too bad. Okay. What if we try in some smoothing? We need to put like things in the background. Would it be better to just put the background as a green chroma, take it off, but do all that in OBS? So we're not. Let's try this first and let's see what happens.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
Oh. Let's see if I can figure out. Let's ask GPT. We are having some glitchy facials. Linux, meta human, hard kit, live link, I think it's called, and live link. Well, maybe it's because we're interpreting too much on one computer. Maybe if we just send the audio files from this computer and just focus on the. No, that's what we did anyway. You know what? Let's just first. Okay, that's a good point. Let's first, rather than trying to do 120 frames, let's just do 60. I don't need 120. Oh, no. What did I just do? No, 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 no. So Unreal, so we want to go to Unreal project settings, engine general settings, frame rate, and set. I already know that there's other people that do it, but we're going to do it like this. So we want to do Mac. script generates, orchestrates, AI machine picks up the script generation, audio to face, and live link work the face. Yeah. Then once that happens, that would animate the metahuman, which would activate the sequencer and export from actual review. But then that means that we wouldn't be using OBS in any shape or form. It would be just direct video. And then for OBS, we would use the same process, but that would be a live interactive avatar that you play with. Not play with, but joins you in the game. So maybe instead of doing the way that I'm doing it, I need a pen. We've already done all the objectives. Yeah. So let's think. Use your big brain. Oh. Okay. The best way. So still looking at the cron system. It needs a session cooking. But so we need to do a post. So let's do the cron first, right? So the cron is having an issue. Schedule to task. Task then goes to orchestrator. That sends a message to the first department. Then sends to first agent for evaluation. That sends it back. That sends it back to the top orchestrator. And then here we make a decision. No, we don't. No, we don't. It doesn't go there because the department isn't an agent, so that couldn't happen. So, start again. And think. We set up cron jobs. Oh, no, we'll set up a schedule. Which sets a cron. That goes into a task, which goes to an orchestrator. In my case, Myla, which would be one of the CEOs. Okay. Step 1. Myla, which is the guy, will then send that to a department, which has a team lead. Said team lead is the second orchestrator. So on the top orchestrator, we need Gwen. On the second orchestrator, I think we could use Olama 7V. So once you've got it reached the team lead assigns to an agent. That agent attempts to do the job with either a workflow or skill. It would then produce an output. Let's try this. Produces an output, which then needs to be QA'd. So now the output goes back to the task, which moves the task. And that movement is what triggers the second QA to look at the output. Okay, so you got one movement from that output, or evidence rather than output. So we need to draw this in a way that we're not going to kind of go nuts in a second. So team lead to agent. Now agent can, we do a double thing, if or else. And then we have workflow or skill. Said workflow or skill both would produce evidence of something, which moves the task. No, because so cron makes task, orchestrator moves task, which then assigns the department. I've done that wrong. So it kind of does that, kind of goes in a loop and then through to department, which then goes into evidence, which takes it back to task, which takes it back to Mila, which then takes it, but instead of it going, yeah, it does, it goes back into task, which moves it across, which then gives it, which triggers if it's incomplete or not, or it needs review. Because once it needs review, so let's just think about the states. We got backlog, we got to do, we have in progress, we have in review, we have completed and archived. So except sales content what's the other one? Sales content or sales content support. There's one more, because they all have their own subtasks. So even though it starts in the normal task queue, the normal task queue, when it goes into in progress, that would trigger, or then the second for the content view to trigger. And until that reaches completed, the other one shouldn't reach view. This needs to be working with local model. Let's see if this works. So we're gonna change the body. Something less. I think that will work. I'll do that in a second. Let's have a look. Right, command new lines, query GPU driver version. Yep. Over here. Okay. Let's see. I need to pee. I will save this level first. That was Control S. No. Save all. Save current level. Now let's have a look. I need to apply manual settings, fix the frame rate, project settings. Okay, so I need to change the project settings. Okay, 1 second. Shivering. Okay. So, settings I need to change. Okay. Let's try this. Edit project settings, engine. So we want to go to edit, project settings. Okay. Then general settings. Oh, it's so small. It's so small. So we want to go to engines, general settings. So engine, general settings, yeah. And then from there, let's go to frame rate, which will probably be down at the bottom. We got settings, subtitles, and burning. A frame rate. So we want to smooth frame rates, and we want to fix the frame rate to 60. So let's do 60 frames. And I think we could probably 60 frames is quite a lot, to be quite honest, when most games run at 30. What is let's research that first before we start doing something, because we could go lower, I think. You know what? Let's do 60 first, and then we can maybe. Mm, think, think. Yeah, let's just do everything 60 for now, and then we can double check. Right, so we've done that. So next, is there a save button that I need to click? There's an import, export, but no save. So if I leave, it saves. I hope so. I hope so. Okay, now next, smooth live link. So that was in Windows, typing at the top, live, get live link. So we got that up. Then click on my subject, which will be here. Oh, here it is, frame rate -1. Why is that -1? In subject settings, you want to turn on interpolation. No, I don't want to switch off my computer. No, thank you. Turn on interpolation. Where do I do that? From the view options? In the subject settings, which would be up here, show high general user settings. Oh. No, this is not what I was meant to be on. Go back. Okay. Maybe it's a right click. No. Rebroadcast subject. No, it's not. It's not that. Maybe the mapper. Oh, here it is. Interpolation. Okay. Set to on, and we need to expand this and go to live link interpretation property values on. That's correct. Okay. And in the subject settings, smooth interpolation on, and the buffer size set to 3. I don't see buffer size. Base interpretation. No, this isn't where we're meant to be doing it. I think we have to click on Mila, and then in the subject settings, interpolation to smooth interpolation. So we should be able to just enter, no? Oh, hold up. Use lifelink, use ARKit, remote role, authority. Hmm. 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 Yes. You know where that is. Okay. And I'm not sure. So live link smoothing, right? So let's just search online. The internet, live link smoothing, option and interpolation and size. Where is that? Oh, one N. Live link smoothing could be noisy, jittering, smoothing types, interpolation modes, buffer. Reduce jitter, but where? Is it in the live link hub? I saw that under tools. I think I did. Live. Yeah, I did. Live Link Hub. Failed to launch this instance. It's already running. Where? Oh, that's what this is. Okay. So is this where we have to? I'm confused. Live linking. Maybe it means here. So we go to live link, click on the subject. Oh, new content. Let's see. New content packets. But you're the one doing those. Not you are the one pushing these. It's meant to be the local models, not you. If I wanted to pay for a big AI to do it, I would. So how are we missing 80 claims? So the problem is being created locally, not being pushed, and it's not being pushed, it's not being picked up, and that's why it's not being done. Let's try a different way. Live. No. Okay, so it's not that way. It must be here then. I must be missing something. Meta Human Manager, Live Mixer. Okay. So I click on my app. Oh, view option. Oh, you fucking joking. But now I'm getting. I don't understand. We're not pre-processing anything though. Why are we not pre-processing this? And we don't want to remap, but okay, let's try three parts. Okay. Let's try the project settings first. So to do that, edit project settings. Okay. So I'm going to go to rendering. So we're in engine, editor, platform, plugins. And there isn't a rendering one. Under engine, or is it description? That's it. All settings. GEO rendering here. Okay. Here require UEE star after enabling. So support compute skin cache. Texture streaming. No, support compute skin. What is that? Build so many options, Jesus Christ. No, we're not going to do ray tracing, or else we're just going to fall to nothingness. Allow static lights. Oh, I can start at the top. Why am I wasting time very looking? Let's just add this here, paste. Ah, there we go, and it is enabled. So, log. Select Myla in the vision point. Okay, so we select Myla, vision point, and details, find log sync. In details, which is here. No. Maybe it's under actor in advanced. Log sync, okay. And we want to set force to log 0. Console command press tide in the viewport. Not actually sure if that went through. I thought tide was up here. Oh, it is. Oh, okay, it is. So, and then the question here is what? Let's see, that's command line. Let's try that. No. Oh no, I did. There we go. So command line thread 0 and command line T max set 6. Okay. Then we want to save, but I want to check. Did not find the line. It's as to where it is. Oh, to where it's. Um, I mean, literally what it's telling me, I've already done. And what it's saying, unless window live in the live link window live link. So in the live link window, no, it's oh. Mm. Let's try that again. Okay. It seems to be so sure that it's here. Okay. So I'm going to click on window. Live, live link. Live. Live link. Okay. So now that I have that, we have see Myla listed as a subject on the left side. Yes, I do. I do. Double click on Myla or click the arrow to expand next. What arrow? What arrow? Okay. This should open the subject settings. Okay. On the right of the live link window. Yes. Look for details or settings panel at the bottom or right of the live link window, or try to click on Myla and then look for a gear icon or a properties button. This doesn't make sense. Okay. Look for the details settings. Okay. At the bottom right, it's this. Okay. Or try to click. Why is there 8 different ways to do the same thing and none of them work? This doesn't make sense. Initialization settings should be under preprocessor. There isn't a preprocessor. So are you telling me I have to click the button and then look for Myla here, but she's not there? Preprocessor section. Add a live link interpolation preprocessor. See? I don't understand this. What's going on?
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
You know what? I'm going to add default smoothing. No, I'm going to add this. Let's have a look. Okay. Well, step one has been done, which is at least be able to see her a little bit better. And if we click play, which no, why did you click that button? You know what it does. No. I need to move this. No, what was it? Double fingers? There we go. Up, down, right, left. Okay. And one finger was turn and one finger. So between this one, forward and back, and this one, up and down. So we do this, we do this. There you go. And we can just, perfect. Then if we click play, we get that. Let's.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
Okay. Now, forward. No, forward. Okay. Oh, do I need to click play then? So where's the blinking and the movements? Uh, okay. So we need to increase the timeout. So because the local AI is too slow and it's timing out for people to actually do them. Okay, we're gonna do that. And now we wanna there we go. Okay. So it moved. Okay. Let's try this.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
Okay, this should, fingers crossed, work now. I think. So we need to add a randomizer so that she just moves around. Well, because it's just playing and no one stands still like this. Maybe we can add some wind, maybe some different lights. I don't know. We'll see. The mouth is still too wide. Yeah. Okay. Ready, steady, and
Hey
go.
everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned,
We need
it
to
is going
fix
to
the
be a
bits.
great show.
So we're going to boost everything just a tad. And let's see what this does. Okay. So we're going to add a procedural life blinks and a cascade. So we're gonna add a procedural here. And then we're gonna copy that and just change it. And I think I can. Okay. And then we can work on the scripts and the scene. Can we generate the scenes generatively? I'm not too sure actually. I know with more power I could make this look much more real. Oh, it was
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
So we need some witty. At least she's blinking now and her head's moving. It's not bad. Let's add some more maybe occasional movements, and we can add some flicking of the hair and some smiling or random kisses or waves. We can set triggers for different cues to happen when certain events happen. Such as no, and I need to do this better. If I write that, it's just gonna get lost. Okay. Let's use a different AI to write a script for it. So let's go to GPT. Make a new chat in GPT. Oh, I am doing natural movements and trying to improve the lips and facials and have any animation goes further life movement as humans not so still. I have this randomly happen. So one elections it's a human who looked more like 60 animations bigger and 30 movements that are total bigger. Okay, we'll do that. Ah. So this is going to be a big change. So we're going to do this. So we'll add another 150. And then we will add these as well. And we're going to do this and then this. Then we're going to prompt. A good prompt. You're an expert on real animation architect specializing in metahuman realism. The goal is to design a fully procedural animated controller for the metahuman used in automated AI videos. The avatar is to receive auto-generated scripts and perform them using text-to-speech, audio-to-face lip syncing, and scripted narration requirements. Create a system with the following animation layers. Hold up, what did I put on the previous prompt? Because am I just about to break? No, because this one, I'll do this. And then it should be able to do both, combine. I might need to change to Opus 1 mil. Ah, I think I just broke it. So we are going to split this file into two. Yeah, we're going to split this file into three, not two, three. I think I just broke it. But that was 1,000 lines. Okay. Let's grab a Coke. And let's see what we can do. In theory, pipeline for media is done. So is the animation states. The RSS feed is. So now it's about just producing the content and delivering. Let's give this one a go.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I am Mila, your AI presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
No, that did not work. Voice works. The voice
Hey
works.
everyone,
There we
welcome to J4SGON.
The
I am
lips.
Mila, your
The
AI
lips.
presenter. Today we are going to talk about some really exciting developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, it is going to be a great show.
We need to fix the lips. So, let's have a look. So after this, I think we need to fix the lips a bit. Say. Uh, uh, and yeah, that looks fine. Okay, so we need to keep on refining that. We need to loop it somehow. Randomize it. I don't understand how to do that yet. Let's just think. So at the moment we have 3 layers. So we fixed the cron. That's fixed. So we're getting 2 content packages: global marketing trends, and Papo Hub launches new features to enhance team collaboration. Again, what Okay. Still need to give this one hair. So I'm gonna have to redo all of no clothes. I'm gonna have to redo all of this on Windows PC to finalize her, then pass it across with the bridge that doesn't work. So until then, I'm so sorry. You're gonna be like this. We need to also look into that. So when it finishes that, I'm gonna do. We're still bloody calling things. So there's still memory. Um, there's still memory on it on the previous name. Hub, our hub, your hub, everyone's hub is a creator community hub. So we've done that part almost. So we need to add more after this. Oh, do I need to click play for it to happen? No, there's no movement. It's receiving your packages. Maybe I can add some buttons that I can click and trigger. So if she speaks, if I can get it to speak, I can do the animations remotely. And give it that flair, maybe. Let's have a look. Oh, I didn't press enter. Yeah. And I think we've got one more. And one more after that. Didn't have to be doing that. Okay, we're loading one in. Content type, return value, and it should upload. It's not. Let's just have a look at this. Right, what was the last message? Spotlight batch 3, 2213. So no. I want to set a cron for the next 4 hours. Something that produces physical evidence on my for the next 20 minutes until 8 a.m. I want a file with the agent's name and the process it went to happen. If there is no change in code, then it did not happen. If there is not a physical evidence trail, it's a hallucination. The UI is truth, code is false. And I want it done locally with only local models, and I want to know each orchestration level written within the file, and for me to double check the task evidence area to actually see this reflected. And there we go. So let's do that next prompt for procedurally generated lit system. After that, if it's actually working, I should see in the morning 20 files. And we can now work on speech rhythm animation. We're using NVIDIA face to audio. So what does it say? Add shoulder lift, mouth relax. I'm still having trouble with this. So we're gonna add this. See, now it's definitely working. Fans are on. That's a local AI doing work. Okay. Oh, yes. No. No. And we're gonna add this. Up. Oh, I've lost my thing. Okay, that has definitely broken the context window. I'm gonna have to start again. God damn it. Ah! Okay. And I think that happened because I have not. I need a way to trigger it, or else it just won't. I think I've given too much information here. Let's just read. So we can maybe do that and link it over to the Paco hub. So that orchestrates movement, or why am I calling it Paco hub? That's gone up. Mm, so let's just think. Think. So how can we make this more real? So let's think of it like this. We want to be a director. Direct shorts with it. So we would need some sort of controller when the script comes in. So we need to script analyze. Then performance. So can I make little AIs for each one of these? And have each one small little model that just does these things. So we can script analyze, split. We can split a script into sections, aka beats, beginning, middle, end, or yeah, in, out, medium. It's, it's and then we can add that to the scripts. She's moving. There we go. Now we just need to do the body and get her to actually move. No. There we go. Okay. There we go. Ugh. Performance, blocking, camera. So this will decide when to change, or press create camera, cam, or we can say, or switch sources. Okay, the blocking director would be the movement director. No, the blocking director. Stage markers. Just move around. Okay, that will definitely work. So I think so. So four cams. Top, mid, side, 45-degree angle. That gives us a nice little window. And then for 3, we can put like 4 points or 3 points actually, and just have them just move around in those points subtly, so we can do a procedural sequence within the space, and then just X marker move to marker, and just do it very, very subtle at any random point within there. Now, through the performance, we can then use the script analyzer if the scripts have intro, transition, mid, intro, content, emphasis. Then we can do rest, summary, and goodbye. And then have each one of these do a variation of 3 and 4. And then in theory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 7 times 137 animations. Oh, it would just look really random. Well, not really random, but human more than anything. We don't stand still. Okay. Oh no. So, where is the proof system? Ah, here. And so far, a chronological log of proof at 1 a.m. 2 a.m. Is it 2 a.m.? Oh, Jesus. Oh, it is. So, orchestration flow, result, success, error 0, heartbeat 40. Task visible in the admin execution center. Then, daily topic feed. RSS failed. Schedule detected due task. Action API. API orchestrate the API. So I don't understand. So you've tried to self-heal. OT8 topics generated via local LM, one RSS topic created from 10 stored artifacts, 3 video scripts in the pipeline. Okay, so oh, we have templates. Why did we not get that before? Hold up. Let me go back here. Why are you seeing that, right? So let me go back. No, back. Up. Okay. So now you should see some movement in a little moment. Let's just add the walk animation. And we'll copy the locomotion. Yeah. And I think we can copy quite a few more actually. I didn't know we had these. Here I was trying to recreate them all. I already told you the best approach. No, 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 no. I hate it when you come back. Oh. We're going to use a thingy. No, wait until they do the body, and then we can work on stage 1 through 4. Wow, that GPU is really spinning. I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna grab a glass of water, guys. Okay, and then we can. Yeah, we will do this one after this. So I'm just downloading that. It shouldn't take too long. And then we can just add that into the blueprints. And that will be, no, then we'll need to wire up. This is so much harder than I thought. Okay. Do this. And hold up. Then I need to set up the beat system for the scripts on the other machine. Because that's what generates the scripts. Or would it be better to analyze them here, trigger them, do them, and then send them across? I'm not too sure, to be quite honest. And my question here is, once I do this, I'm gonna have to do it all over again if I want to clothe her. I hope not. I really hope not. I know you have to take off the rigs to edit, but I don't. If that's the case, I'm gonna be so angry. Oh, Um, Sub-agent. I did this wrong. Should have done it the other way around. Oh, damn it. I have to do it again. Let's so random. Why do I have to walk like this here? Yes. Okay. I'm doing this like this. I'm gonna run out of context. Two machines. So my subscriptions can disappear. Let's just have a look. How much do I even have left? P-line, debug, usage. Right there. Remote control API switches to use animation asset mode and play idle loops with state transitions for speaking and gesture expressions. No, that's not what I asked. No. Let's add this as well. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Let it finish first. And then we can do the rest. Oh, can I just select? Oh, I can. Oh, that's good. Oh, but I can't remove and select. Can I select all? Control A? No. Never mind. Just press back. Wait for it to finish. That's done. That's almost done. Because right now, what we're proposing is to just loop everything, but the looping after like 2-3 minutes is obvious. So all the delete functions were not working. So that is now being fixed. Oh, there we go. At last. No, she's no longer in T-shaped. Let's also test live link and body controller. There we go. Now, yeah. Nice. Oh, but some of them are timing out. Okay, why? Okay, after that, we've got a little bit of hand movement. The feet are still planted, so we need to fix the feet. And or feet. And then go up. We need much more interaction. That's still very I think we can improve that further. Okay, so now live link should be turning on. Come on. Which means that the face will now start to, oh, no, careful. The face should start to animate as well. Where's the blinking? Oh, there's no blinking. Why? Oh, I can't actually see what I'm doing. Let's try this and send that. Come on. I think I just broke it. No, it's still starting. Come on, blink. Not a single blink. It's much better now, I have to say. But it's the blinking's not has gone. Now we're just doing this. Oh, I can see it. Oh, I can see it now. Frames per second. Nice. So this takes about 7 gigs out of my 10. That's a lot. And then if we record, I don't know if I'll be able to record at the same time. Now is the time. Once they do that, that should improve this. Let's have a look. Oh, did I not have an authentication on that? Let's have a look. Okay. So come on. The face stream is still not happening. It's just why is it not happening? This live link, live link idle stoop started streaming at 60 face and body, but I don't see a single blink, so it's not working. We're only doing idle. We haven't even started the rest of it. If I click play, come on, one blink. Movement of the hair. Can you make the hair move? I'm not too sure if you can. You know, I'm gonna just do this. I'll grab this. And then that. And then once that's done, we can try to do the director system. But I don't think I'll have context for it. And it's 2 a.m. Yeah, there's no. No, I need to wait. Please work. I beg of you. think I'm going to. There you go. If I have 175 animations, why are they not showing up with 39 variants? I don't understand. I need to look at the sequence. There's something arrowing. What does the log say? Any eye movements? Still nothing. Let me try now. Let's just check on the right. So we got HUD, stats, the light, the cinema. I don't see any blinking still. For Christ's sakes, I've added it. There we go. Now we've had something change. But now I've lost the other animation. Oh, okay, try. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. One blink. A smile. Anything. And you're moving your hand, that's good. Maybe move your feet. It's programmed in. There we go. You've had some lip movement there, I think. Some micro movement. Come on. All right, let's try and just reset all of that. Where's the command again? Now let's put that back and let's re-trigger that and let's stop and start. No, don't echo. working before. We had it working before. We have a source. We have it's disconnected though. So I need to add oh no. I need to add a source to this. Add a source. Press play. No, that's not it. Go back. Just Control O. How do I leave? Oh, there we go. Oh, we got the electron completed? Where? 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 The launcher inside this. I don't understand what just happened there. He didn't. First one in 6 hours. Forgot. Oh. Regroup. Regroup. Think. We need to think. We need to think. Let's just check this first. So we can't do the director thing until we get a blink. Objective. A smile. Blinking. So that's the only thing that we need to do, and we can finish. Freud. Yeah. Okay. Starting to lose it. It's not a hard issue. You're putting a fucking capital letter rather than a lowercase letter. It's a simple issue. Tools. So where was it? It was in Windows, Live, Windows, Live, Live, Kit, link, right? With a capital M. Okay. Then Myra herself, which is here. Let's go to the content drawer. Oh, you've changed the name back to new MetaHuman. I was sure that said something different before. Connections. Go to, yeah, new MetaHuman. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, we have something different. There you go. Now, yep, that's all fine. Now we need to add the body. Okay, so cron jobs. When was the last one? So I've asked for the 1413. So okay, so instead of switching animation, we're going to use slots. And then here, um, it should go back. No, press stop. No, 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 no. Wait. It's crashing. Do not crash on me. Do not crash on me, please. Do not crash on me. No. Oh, for fuck's sake. And it's crashing because we're using 14 gigs and I've only got 10. So no wonder that's breaking.